So using Klarna with Amazon is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm gonna teach you how you guys can use Klarna with Amazon. So as you guys can see, I'm at my Amazon account now. Here I can select any of the product that I want to buy, but I won't be able to pay with Klarna after selecting the products on Amazon. So how can you use Klarna with Amazon? You have to open up your Klarna app, and in your Klarna app, you have to go to this store section, and in the store section, you will be able to see an option for Amazon. So you just go to your Klarna app, and you need to go to Amazon, and then afterward, you can select the products that you can buy with Klarna. So you just have to open up your app, go to store, select the products that you want to buy, go to the checkout section, and at that option you will be able to choose Klarna. Otherwise you can't directly choose Klarna on. So currently in my region the Klarna is not available, so I cannot show you how exactly do it, but the process is pretty simple. You just need to open up your Klarna app, go to the stores, go to Amazon, select the products, and pay with Klarna. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.